Moms, when's the last time you had a bagel bite? I know, it's been forever, but don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to level one up with the most incredible breakfast bagel bite. Try to say that 3 times. It's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna show you how. Behind me here, you're gonna wanna preheat your griddle. I have it on high right now, but just because I forgot to preheat it, I'm gonna turn it down when we go to put our bagel bites on. Let's get started on our egg mixture here. In a bowl, you're gonna wanna add 8 eggs. Now, obviously this will change according to how many people you are cooking for. I'm gonna do about 6 bagel bites, mini bagel bites. So 8 eggs in the bowl. For our eggs, we're gonna add a little bit of heavy whipping cream. This is gonna allow those eggs to be nice and fluffy, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and for extra flavor pop, we're adding some onion powder. We're gonna mix this up real good. And then when that's done, we're gonna set it aside and we're gonna talk the mini bagel. So like I said earlier, you're gonna want a little bit of butter. And so I'm just going to maneuver the butter just like this. And then these are the size of these cute, adorable little mini bagel bites. And I'm just applying it to my preheated griddle here on low. I want them basically to get crispy on both sides, just a little bit on the bottom, but more so on the top, because that adds for that nice crunchy flavor. Remember, our eggs are already done, so this is gonna be real quick. All right, we're gonna flip them now. We really want this side of the bagel to be the crispy part, but they already look nice, beautiful on that side. Now, once those are taking a minute to crisp, we're gonna go ahead and throw our eggs down here that we've already pre-whisked. Now on this side, I have my griddle on medium-low. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter. You can use oil if you want to, but in my opinion, I think butter and eggs is where it's at. All right, so you wanna kind of control your eggs because once you put those scrambled eggs on here, they just kind of wanna fly away. So I'm just kind of scraping them from the sides here. And these will cook really quick. You've got that pat of butter right in the middle here. Nice and scrambled. What I love about this breakfast meal is it is so quick, and honestly, it feeds a ton of people. Guys, we're almost done. Give us a couple minutes on these eggs, and then we're gonna start building. So we gotta add a little bit of bacon to this creamy egg mixture. And you only need to use just a bit, but I went ahead and bought that store-bought pre-chopped. That saves you some time. And then once that's done, we're going to pull off the bagel bites onto a toasting rack here. Now, I like to add a little bit of saucy sauce to the bottom. And don't be like me, making a mess. I use a little bit of chili sauce, but as you can see, made a little bit of a mess here. I love the chili sauce just because it's got that sweet, spicy component, but feel free to use whatever you want to. Next, we're gonna bring it back over to the griddle. Now it's time to build. We're gonna add our fluffy egg mixture with that crispy bacon on top of these bagel bites, and then comes the cheese. I like to use a little bit of a Cheddar Jack mixture, but feel free to use whatever you want to. So next we're gonna add some water to steam to melt that cheese. I cranked my griddle up to high for that. Don't put it directly underneath your warmer because you don't want that bagel to get soggy. I've got a lid here, so I'm gonna use that as my dome. I'm gonna close it, and that is it. Give it about 1.5 to 2 minutes, and look how beautiful they are. Now it's time to garnish. That's my favorite part. I love the taste of chives on these. Adds that nice onion pop of flavor, but not too overpowering. And look how absolutely deliciously tasty these look. Quick, easy, in a matter of minutes, you have the most incredible, fun breakfast. Everyone's gonna love this. Now, my favorite part of it all, that is the tasting aspect of this all, and I gotta tell you, I'm really excited about this one. This is taking me back to my childhood. All right, here we go. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So good. Like I said, that chili sauce, the sweet, spicy component, the cheesy egg, the crispy bacon, really just all comes together beautifully. It does take me back to my childhood, but a little leveled up, little bougie style of those bagel bites we're used to. You gotta try this one, whether it's for your family or for your friends coming over for brunch. You're gonna love it. Remember, you always wanna keep it quick, you always wanna keep it simple, and you gotta keep it delicious. My name is Taylor Mock, and I will see you on the next episode. Cheers.